People, I'm at a whole nother hotel and the organized rapists, bullets, and groom hookers, they is playing a game with me, rearing up their engines. People, Memphis is a sacred town full of rapists. I got some type of crazy motherfuckers rearing their engine up, folks. I got some crazy motherfuckers rearing their engine up, people. The KKK, everywhere I go, the Ku Klux Klan is playing with me at these corrupted nigga motels rearing his engine up. You got the KKK with a Mississippi tag, people rearing his engine up. People, these redneck motherfuckers is stalking me in these shit with criminal sex monkeys, folks. They playing a game, folks. The KKK. They playing a game, people. The Ku Klux Klan. They don't put a hit on my people. The KKK. With a Mississippi tag, folks. They playing a game, folks. KKK. Now, people, why is these white folks, these junkie white folks staying at these black folks slum motel people because they buying drugs over here, folks? People, this shit is a game, folks. Goddamn, rearing this damn mention up, man. Old junkie KKK motherfucker. Waking me up, folks. See these criminal niggas around here? They putting these white supremacists on a motherfucker around here, playing these crazy ass game around them, folks. This shit a game around them, folks. These bitches playing a game around them, folks. Dixie Mafia, KKK. The KKK, folks. They playing a game, folks. The KKK. Motherfucker playing with me, folks. Ku Klux Klan member.